by the Dempo defender. Again, it was Vasco. A little give and go onto the far side. And they are trying to take a shot. It's a goal! In the middle to the captain. The captain trying to go long in between the channel. Can his player reach to it? And he's blocked well enough. Is still in the 18-yard box. He takes the shot. Oh, it glides onto the channel. Gives it on to the left-hand side. This can be an opportunity. Delivers across inside in the middle. And the header is missed. Back again with the 18-yard box. But his shot from the left. Here comes Dempo carrying the ball forward. Passes it into the channel onto the left wing. And he delivers across inside. He cannot land it here, but it's in the 18-yard box. This can be an opportunity, but the low cross the ball away to the Dempo side. This can call out for an opportunity. Oh, he dribbles past one, takes the shot. Oh, what the heck? The number 20, Nesta Diaz onto the right-hand side. This can create problems for Vasco, and he passes it in between, and they have scored the third. Lakshman Rao passes it to Daniel. Daniel with that underlapping run. Daniel looking for a cross inside. He delivers a cross inside. And this could have created once again problems for Vasco. Number 15 delivers a great ball forward. Can his teammate chase to it? Know how it comes off his line. Nesta Diaz passes it on to the number 2 Daniel. Daniel with that burst of pressure. And it is put out for a corner kick. Shot, and the pressure is on, and he has put the ball inside his own net. To the right hand side to Ikrar Horam. Ikrar Horam delivers a cross. Oh, he just couldn't reach to it. It's still in play, but now trying to get away from it. Is received back from Daniel. A low cross comes in for Lakshman Rao. He tries to take a shot and gets the goal and gets the hat-trick as well for them, and he took too much time as Daniel put his feet. And Antonio, he takes the shot. It is deflected. And it goes for a corner kick. Targeted towards the far post. It is saved. Once again, he's trying to try a good ball forward. This can be a chance for Arnold Antonio. And it's saved on the rebound. He gets the ball and he scores the 6th goal. Not quite sure who create an opportunity. He tried to cut back in and it just glides in. Sandville delivers across. It's quite open for Aaron and his shot just sails over the ball. Oh wow, they have scored the 7th goal. Well. They have won the ball back here. And they are trying to create something. Tries to take a shot. It is blocked, and on the rebound they have scored the 8th goal.